Hey everyone, welcome to NuerTube. My name is Cham Kwasniak. Today we are going to learn some civic vocabulary words in both thok, nath and English. So I would suggest you stick around. Let's go to the slide. I prepare the topic on doc. Let me share it with you. So please, if you are new to this channel, please try to subscribe and also do not forget to comment. Okay, let me go direct into this. All right. Okay, here we are. These are some of the vocabularies that I put together for those who want to learn civic words. Okay, bana je talk read civic. Civic ang ulodamo. Civic jana book. Civic is relating to the duties or activities of people in relation to their town, city or local area, often connected to participation in community and public affairs. Katungna de kon larano and civic malode kashang kanangot kalatin lat ka kietin de lat ka kwiwich. Chet katende lat ka kwi stedun la daurun titan ki ka kwi wich kelyo. Ka wicha da take wijen dit ka wijen tot. Ka tugna de kon larano wij de kon ka bape wich. Mi chai tejen no civic ngulo damo. Ka tung Nuer bilarano no lode ne siyang ki ngot kan latinde lat ka kwi door. Ajan rajandana raj boka me rajatine no. Relating to the duties, civic mean it relate to the duties or activities. Activities katin konta latka. Mishiran take civic, dio jabishu lojano bilarno civic raja ka kwishang ni kana ngot ka led diatan konta de lat kador na me be jako betia ka long ka do badan de mal understand ga je ke dere shublo du ke je ka kucha magore jano bi ngaje no civic ngulo damo. Another word that we can learn today is ethics. Ethic, what do we mean by ethics? Ethics, a set of moral principles or rules of conduct that govern the behavior of individuals and groups, guiding what is considered right and wrong. La civic karwade ethics malode la kon malaroy ka jelong. La ethics jen point de lura no ngotin kontin shang ran rode keje ke ngotin yen ran rode keje mishi ngaje no chaiti jen no ethics nguluda mo ka ngot ke dup tin yan ka shang ran tila chung ke duir tin la ran ke jen chwal ke ethics so dong de yugo no ethics ngulud mo civic enyam wa ka shangtin kon lat ka rodian ka ngot ke tin kon deran ka lat mi kon ben ke ethics Bingajano kakan ngoto la set of moral principles or rule of conduct that govern the behavior. Alashing ki ngotin konti yan ga shangrana kan chwal kamo ethics. Rieda dodian gwasame, another next word is ethical. Which are ethical, conforming to accepted moral principle or standard. A duo badan ki ngot ki shang ki dup tinchiran ka gwich ego ka kwi Shiangada. Ki duped injecting gujano shiguaka quida, bacholo no more ethical, accepted moral principle or standard, a Lashington con king wotin contin yararo de kakamichika gujano goke, one money, a ethicals. Meluno shanku, tin yen rodu, ki duped contin yen rodu, tin gujano goke, bagacholi, a ethical, katok English. Gwasame bana right quiz citizens. Citizen with S. Because take a singular and plural. So we are talking about plural here, and there is also a singular there. Gwadame, when we said citizens, in English, it is just members of a state or nation who have certain right and responsibilities, including participating in the civic life of other community. Ala citizens malude shirka ka deal ga deali re wujamo shirka deal kie je wij ano kie je duaramo kie deal tin nga chunken kana ngot ka let tin koni de kan ka let re duaramo chet ko dong de kan vote kie de ka queen gwen de kan lat anamo shwale citizens mi ya jo jin citizen wo jin a jin deal wujamo der emilat ken re wujamo der jalat chet ken ne dial tin ko ken jen shwal ke citizen on gwada me chokon kala shole deal langwan ke deal where do dien a citizen mitel as a singular citizen without s which is singular word. It is an individual recognized as a legal member of a state or nation with the right such as voting and responsibilities such as obeying the law. Ala citizen me aran which kie del re duarmo mengech chunke ngajaman gwa ka kwide ka ngajaman je ka kwide kajan ba wadara te ka chonko ba kwany ka kwar ndana noganu deje yen shwale citizen bi ngajano jin citizen mi ay jo jin citizen a jin del re wujamo citizen lodne del mutika chung kieran wich kieran duaramo ngech ngot ka nge chengten konti le road ere duar dan titin ba sholi citizen bi chu ngajano citizens anyam ka deal citizen me menteles jen lodeni del alojin a jin del antama metio kama wan yen ka yen deal re wujamo ko ngayen chunkun ka dabji re duaramo ka dalet ka re duaramo ne Madadian Guasame, men bananyoka mengai kona. Another word is society. Society, a community of people living together in an organized way with shared laws, tradition, and values. Murai kon guasme ka society, shere ka dor. And doro mo poinde waken nyuaken ngwana tungwan. Shet ke shang monni ke ta dana len ngaro din ka je gwasamo ba cholo no society and society mo ba kan right kan ka tokel kora ke tokel ba ga cholo ngo ken ador shikador nuere kon ka kon society maybe kon ping gwasame country word country a nation with its own government, borders, and sovereignty, often characterized by a shared culture, language, or history. La country in Toknath, ki tong Nuer, luda na wich, and wijamo wajan take a kini, take a bomb ki take a dida, and wijamo pointer, kan wijamo bo take a long de, ka take a to de murai kaja, kajan bo take a history, ki roine, te tuog ba ka kwide, la history mandanan kule jenten ba kule ban gwasama la shiaran gotan konti che jalmem bichu gwaddan titin kan chwal ka history mo ki leng country lura na wich ala widu jiran waja danan titin man tika lwangtin ka tika dur tetrede ba cholo no a country chika roll not jen dera country ke dera wich ko kon were la kon wich la kon aba country is single lura which which actually countries take as ana mo be jen ka which bo ka wi ka kuja mo shol kone which me a country kel me a countries with ies je lura no wi a ken ci kon kelen gwada men o lodien angulut kanamo amabo kon gwasa me ka citizenship channel right ka kwida no one we talk about this citizenship we talk about being citizen or citizens. A citizenship, it is the status of being a citizen, which include rights, responsibilities, and participation in the political and social life of a country. Alamulo do gwasame ata en mene jindial kaja. Ta deal kadu men tekaji shunku tindere la gwasamo general citizenship michi wotaka citizenship kie en dialare dwaramo te katinyode en wo jin e jindial te katinyode gwan wo jin e jindial ba ikule shole no ngak take citizenship wejemi kie citizen wejemono no duno michi ajo jin citizen nyode ne jindial michi our citizenship wo jin take a characteristic that show that you are part of that country. So, Jin citizen, you are citizen of that country if you have the requirement. Without showing the requirement, let's say if you have a passport and that passport, your nationality is written on it, it means that you have the requirement that show that you are that country's citizens. Jen shwale citizenship on it. Ala ta deal ko du man yuda no jine jindial re duaramo. Wargande tekaji ki man yuda gwan wo jine jindial ba shwale ba shwale citizenship. Maybe kon gwaseme to kon ke word shwal ke civil. Civil ngulodomo. What do you mean by civil? Well, civil relating to the rights and duties of citizens in their relation with each others and state, often associated with lawful and orderly behavior. Civil pointe ta dan le de gaje ka shunkan let tin de del ki gadwe kalat ka dore titere ka ngot to gorka ano mi ay jogan ala civil pointe la ka shunkan letin kont de lat ka dorun gwasamo ka to ngot batikete lo che kairar ka ngot ba sholedi kan kwale la shwal ke civil right ala ngot ji duaramo tin yen karodien keke ala ngot tin kont yen arut ke ngwasamo ano ko jindial bu ngoda to tin yen yarun ke yen doromo bi ka ngach jan chwal ke di chwale civil ka chung kana let tin de del ke gadwe kalat ka dore ti tere dien ka ngot to gorka chwale civil mabu kon gwasame there is a word called civilized. Civilized mean this is when we talk about being civilized, being advanced in social and cultural development, typically exhibiting respect, politeness, and adherence to societal norms. Alajin gwasame kaduptin kon alajin misha jogono si civilized chiri ramme chichop ke ji shang shop chi jangat miti kalus kati ka shang to go to the gwan wojin chi shang shop chi jangat ba cholo no si civilized jira momo rear dodian gwasame community, our community. Community, it is a group of people who live in the same area or share common interests, goals, or values and work together to support each other. Namo la community katungna chwale ke jidwar kel ti sien kel ti te ka char kel ka te ka dwar mu gor ken kel kalet ken la de kelo law lwakorin kamne ken ka kan ba raiken ka jan to ka kel ba sholodi ba sholo community calling karodian jidwar mo community me a communities because community it is singular. Okay, communities kaji dori ko ngwan ka ba chole dori, you know. So you know the meaning of community. Kaji duar kel ti sien kel ti ka char kel raiken ka to kel let kan ngwan kel, you know. Baje chole di baje chole no ne to a community. Read dodian abide to follow or obey rules, laws, or custom willingly and consistently. Ala abide malode a guru ngude guru ngut shale you abide with law. Guru ngude shala abide. Guru ngut ki lusu ngut jiramamo wa jin you abide with the law of that state or that country. Abiding with law. Guru ngut ka mandana yenaro dien kaje jen shala abide one what abide. Mando dien a law. What do you mean by law? A set of rules created and enforced by a governing body to regulate behavior, maintain order, and protect citizen rights. We talk about this law what? Mi jine gujin wata dana yana rodin keke kati shari alaka kume ke jidwara mo ke jiwja mo eno binarin yen keke kan wata sha chak ti yen kuma roda kaka gwaden chichech re nguda baje shukap akan nguda tonne shwaledi shwale low ata danen cha ngot cha ga yat pinga je ngotin biji kem ci dwer shelat biji chuang shelat ba gu jano jin ci chuang shelatin ba sholedi ba sholi low ko ngot kume tin yen kan rodian kaka Melodian gwas me tukon ka values are principle or standard of behavior that are considered important in a society, guiding individuals or what is good, fair and just. Value gwada me jen ka luang ki bum tin kona takaran. La jen miti ka luang ki ti ka bum ba shola ti ka values. Value du amen gwanda na ledi kador. Mi ledi je kador ba jugon ojin ti ka value ko cha jinen en o ledi je ki nyu de je gwanu ti ka luang medere luang dor. Luang an teke ji re wich luang ki bom and look which ka je ba je chole values ka tok English ka civic. Shi kontin gor kon kan ode kon ka ngai gwada me shana kaling. Langotin kontin gori jiran and will be ngai kirieten gori be ngai ka civic ko bikan ta dan de civic de ngai ka je ajan shinena gwasa me ka chukde. Chikon civic ngaje nungu, chikon ethics chikon ngaje nungu, chikon ethical chikon ngaje nungu, citizen chikon ngaje nungu, citizen ba society chikon ngai country citizenship, civic relating civil or chikora boke civilize it kana let the alcoken chika community abide law values ajan mandanan gurno de nywaka yakela na me ate katago lung to gor kono no de kona ngai kona along it when you are learning you make sure that you wrote something down. You need to have a notes, okay? When you want to learn, let's say it, I'm a learner. I'm actually learning right now. When I want to learn, I have to write some notes and then I read it. Let's say when I have a free time, I can go back to the note that I wrote and read it again. I have to keep on reading for 10 to 30 minutes, in order for me to catch up with their meanings and how to say it. So if you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to subscribe and share it also with others. I will come up with more topic relating to civic, so don't miss any topic that I will be discussing on this channel. Bye bye, see you next time.